Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for tuning in. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. Thank you. I really appreciate. Don't mind my voice because I have cold. And in this video, I'm not using mic as well. So pardon my voice because my voice is really horrible. I know.
Wanna get to know you better. 너와 함께 있으면 나 몸이 뜨거워져 all night. Just wanna feel your touch. 조금 더 가까이 to make you.
Well, I just need to do this video because I said if I don't do it now, I don't know when I'll be chance to do it. I always like sharing with you guys. When I see that the thing is really popping, is okay, and it's something that you guys are going to like, I'll be like, okay, let me share it with them. Okay, so what I'll be sharing today is a bag I bought. If you're new here, you might not know I'm a first-time mom. Okay, so when I'm going out with my baby, I have some bags. The bags, sometimes I struggle. I will carry two bags. I will carry one backpack before I will carry my either cross bag or any other kind of bag. So I was looking for something that I can like just put my baby stuff inside, then I can still put my own personal things inside without carrying like two bags, like a backpack or any other smaller bag, if that makes sense. So I've been looking for this kind of bag since, and I ran into this bag. I just said to myself, Chelsea, this is the bag you're looking for. This is the bag you want. So I had to purchase this bag. I love this bag, and I know you guys are going to love it. If you're a mom, even if you're not a mom, you're going to love it because it's chic, it's gorgeous. Let me just stop talking and show you guys the bag I'm talking about. Let's ring the drum. So guys, this is the bag. It's from LV. I've opened it. Was kept inside the carton. I had to like remove it from the carton. Then this is it. Let me bring it closer. You guys can see. You can see how big it is. So when I'm going out, I don't need any other extra bag. Everything can just enter inside. And I've not opened it. I deliberately leave it like this because I received this bag is almost a week now. Okay, so I was just looking for the right time so that I can film it for you guys, then unbox it the same time with you guys. So this is the LV top handle bag. On camera it looks small, but believe me, this is so big. If you are a mom, you're going to love this. Or if you're traveling, laptop can enter. You can just put so many things. I really like this bag. Not only being a mom, you can use it for so many purposes. Let me bring it closer for you guys to see it. This LV top handle bag, everyone needs this. It's so gorgeous, so gorgeous. I think this bag came out 2024 or 3, if I'm not mistaken. Let me not just say what I don't know. Okay, and I really love when I found this bag. I was like, yeah, this is what I need. This is what I need to get. I said I don't need to search anymore. I'm so in love, and the leather is so soft. It's so beautiful. This bag from LV is so beautiful, really lovely. Together, I'm just going to remove this from it. You can just zip it like this. Okay, see it. And the inside, oh, I so much love the inside. The inside is red. Oh my gosh, look at this inside. Look at these. I love this. Let's remove these. Okay, and these are inside, and there is a key that you put by the side. There is a compartment here, here, and here. Okay, and see this. See, the hand is not too long. See, look at the gap here. Fits so well. I really like this, and it will stay. It's not something that will be falling off. You can see it's not too long. I just like the size of the hand. You can use the key to lock your bag also here. see here, you can use it to lock it. You can remove it from here, use it to lock here, in case if you don't want anyone to like open your bag to get your things out. Especially here in Paris. So yeah, that is it. I really love it. In case if you're wondering where I got this bag, I got it from a website called anyfashion.rio. It's Any Fashion. So I'm going to put the link of the website on the description box. I'm still going to put it on the screen. 247 I'll be rocking this bag with baby. I will really enjoy it because I don't need to carry any other bag again. I'll just put everything, my personal stuff and that of baby inside, then I'm good to go. So that is it. I should share this with you guys. So if you're interested, head to anyfashion.rio. I'm going to put their link here, so go and check their website and see all the stuff they have there. They have so many beautiful things on their website, and I tell you, they will deliver to you. Their delivery is so fast, everything just went smoothly. Their customer service is top. They will reply you anytime you write to them. They are on WhatsApp. You can email them as well. Go to the website and check, and you will not be disappointed. No more 2 bags, stressing myself anymore with too much load. And these days I don't like carrying baby stroller, so I will carry backpack, carry another bag to cross, then carry my baby with this, and just my baby, I'll just hang this, okay, hang my baby like this, and we are good to go. I'm so happy, really happy, so excited. Yeah, that is it, guys. Please, gorgeous, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.